Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a Sony phone that has literally flipped the entire tech world upside down. And let me tell you right now, this is not just another phone. This thing is an absolute beast. At first glance, it looks like a regular smartphone, but when you flip it over, you're looking at a full-blown, professional-grade DSLR camera. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about the Sony Xperia Pro 1 Ultimate. You've seen 108 megapixels. You've seen 200 megapixels. But have you ever thought about what would happen if a company just took an actual DSLR sensor, the big, bulky one, and stuffed it inside a phone? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, in today's video, we're going deep to see how the Xperia Pro 1 Ultimate is about to flip the entire photography industry on its head. If you're into photography or you just live and breathe tech, hit that like button right now, because this ride is gonna be insane. Design and display. Let's start with that game-changing design that's got everyone talking. I've been doing this for years, and I've never seen anything like this. The front, sleek, modern, beautiful display. But the real magic, that back profile. Sony basically split the back of this phone into two worlds. Half of it is your regular smartphone, but the other half is a complete, professional 500 megapixel DSLR camera module. We're not talking about a tiny little lens. This is the kind of heavy-duty glass you see on wildlife or sports cameras. When you hold this, it's gonna feel less like a phone and more like a high-end camera. And Sony isn't messing around with plastic or aluminum here. This thing is wrapped in a magnesium alloy body, just like the Pro cameras, giving you that perfect mix of durability and lightweight strength. And to do justice to that insane visual power, the screen has to match. Sony is reportedly packing a 6.85-inch 4K HDR OLED display here. We're talking 1 billion colors, a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. That means even under the scorching desert sun, your screen looks crystal clear. And for protection, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 is basically a tank for your display. Oh, and with an IP69 rating, dust and water. Yeah, they don't stand a chance. Camera setup. Alright, now let's dive into the soul of this phone, the camera tech. 200 megapixels. That's old news. We're talking 500 megapixels, paired with a massive sensor. Rumors suggest it's a 4/3 inch sensor, roughly 10 times larger than what you find in standard smartphones. And you know the rule, bigger sensor equal more light. So what does that mean? It means you'll be able to take photos in pitch-black darkness that look like they were shot in broad daylight. And we're talking zero digital noise. Zoom. Let's talk about 200x digital zoom. You'll be able to count the feathers on a bird sitting on a mountain miles away. You've got dual aperture support so you can control that background blur like a pro. And for the videographers out there, get this, it's rumored to be the world's first phone capable of 16K video recording. 8K is officially old news. 16K means you can pull a poster-quality photo from literally any frame of your video. Plus, 4K at 240 FPS super slow-mo. This thing is basically a movie studio that fits in your pocket. But wait, here's the biggest plot twist. That massive lens, it rotates 360 degrees. Think about what that means. No more relying on some mediocre front-facing camera for selfies. Just spin that main lens around and boom, you're taking the highest resolution selfies the world has ever seen. And to top it off, there's a dedicated camera grip with a physical shutter button, zoom rocker, and a video record button. It's a photographer's dream. Performance. Now, how do you power a monster like this? Inside, it's running on the world's most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This chip is specifically tuned for AI and heavy-duty image processing. We're talking up to 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM, and 1 TB of ultra-fast UFS 5.0 storage. Whether you're editing 16K video for hours or playing the most graphics-intensive games, the vapor chamber cooling system keeps this thing ice-cold. In software, Sony is known for that clean, bloatware-free experience. You're getting pure, stock Android 16 with none of the useless clutter. Just Sony's pro-level tools like Cinema Pro, and a supercharged version of Photography Pro ready to go. Battery and charging. To keep this beast alive, Sony is planning a massive 8500 mAh battery. Under normal use, we're talking a solid 2 to 3 days. And if you somehow manage to drain it, 125-watt super fast charging will juice it from 0 to full in just 20 minutes. Plus, you get 50-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging to power up your earbuds or your friend's phone. Price and launch date. Finally, the big question: how much, and when? Now, here's the reality check, guys. This is a concept phone. It's Sony's vision of what the future of smartphones could look like. But if this thing becomes a reality, you're looking at a price tag between $1,800 and $2,000. Yeah, it's expensive. But when you realize you're getting a professional-grade camera and a flagship superphone rolled into one, the price actually starts to make sense. Experts are saying we might see the first working prototype by late 2026 or early 2027. So, what do you think? Would you sell your camera gear and go all in on this? Or is this just overkill? Let me know in the comments.